Tell me how you want it, yeah.
What's up, YouTube? This your girl, Asia Baby 98, and I'm back with another video. As y'all can see by the title, I am doing the McDonald's mukbang, and I'm trying out, and I'm doing a food review on the cheese bacon fries and the bacon Big Mac. So let's go ahead and get started. Oh, and I also have a little story time to tell y'all. Ooh, Big Mac looks good. Let me show you how it looks. Let me show you how it looks. Ooh. Let me show y'all. Cheese fries. Okay. Oh, and for my drink today, I got the orange Fanta. So let me open the top because I like to drink without the top. Go ahead and get to eating. Okay, let me tell you the story of what happened today and how I wanted to do the McDonald's, the new cheese fries mukbang. So let me try this out first, and then it's good. All right, now let me try this Big Mac. That was good. So I'm getting picked up from school, and my grandmother, she always stops and get us some food because she knows that we had a long day. After a long day, we're hungry and stuff. So my grandmother asked me, "Asa, what you want to eat?" And I said, looking over the billboard signs, and I came across the McDonald's bacon cheese fries, the McDonald's fries with the bacon and cheese, and then the Big Mac, and then the quarter pounder. But I don't really eat the quarter pounder. I usually get the Big Macs. It's falling apart. So I was like, I'll take the McDonald's. So so I decided to take McDonald's. And we stopped at McDonald's, and it was a super long line. So we was waiting in line for like at least like 5 to 6 minutes, and then what else happened? Oh, so this one lady in this black car, she had cut in front of us. It was just like, you know what, let her go. She's really hungry. She really needed food, so let's just let her go. And then And then we get to the pull-out line. And then we order our food. And then we go ahead and pay for our food. And then we pulled up for the other drive-thru so we can get our food. And we got our food. We got the bag of food with the fries and the burger. And we got our drinks. And so also we got the shakes, the strawberry shakes, because if you buy one, you get one free. So I got a shake. Milkshake. And then what happened? So then we pulled up, we got our milkshake with 2 other drinks. So it's 2 Cokes. My grandma was like, "That's not ours." I was like, "Granny, shh, don't tell them. Just take it." So she took it. And then he gives us another, 2 more shakes. And my granny was like, "No, that's not ours. No." I was like, "Granny, you should have took it, because I could have gave it to my sister." So, yeah. So, that's what happened. So, we have the other 2 drinks. But I'm not finna drink that right now. I want to drink my orange. It's so good. They get good on these fries. This is so good. Oops. It's so good. Hold up. Wait a minute. Go ahead and pause this video right here. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and give that notification bell a ring, 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 ring. Woo! I'm getting full already. But I'm gonna eat all my food for y'all. I like how it's just falling apart. It's so good. Mm. 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 Woo! Y'all. Mm. It's so full. The bacon is crispy. I get good on this. Mm. This is bomb, y'all. This is good. I recommend y'all go out and buy this. I didn't get the onion, no onions on it. I don't like onions on my burgers or tomatoes. So I didn't get no onions on it. And tomatoes don't come with it, with Big Macs. Mm. Woo! I'm full, y'all. But go ahead and like this video up, comment, subscribe, and click that notification bell. And as I say, we on a journey. We on a journey. Thank y'all for watching and see y'all later.